A liter of fuel now is 1.3. Now, not the advantage of this fuel now, the way they had the advantage. The number of time when they spend for filling station now don't reduce. That time when fuel cheap, 87 naira, Jonathan regime. Once you enter filling station like this, you see queue 4 months before you're late. The first person you see one bag for it, you see how much? 5,000. So you put on 5,000. After 10 minutes. That one will go, the next person will enter. You don't the fourth line now. Before you reach your turn, you don't late. When fuel go increase to 300 naira per liter, it can't reduce. As the person want buy 5,000, you still late, but not be like before. So you put on. That one don't finish. Now, with the way everything don't take cost now, if you enter filling station, you see 50 people before you know what it goes to reach your turn. The first person will say 50,000. You put on. Okay, cut it, go. The next person will enter 100,000. Yeah, you for shock, you want back 10,000. As you reach there, as you point, I know you don't make noise. What do you hear now?
Orí mi, orí jíjà mi, kò sí jà ní church, àdúrà ní kí n ṣá mi.